Michelle? How did you get here? I thought we lost.
Come on, let's get you out.
Wait. Not yet.
Chris, I'm kind of in the middle of committing like 20 crimes right now.
I've been thinking about it ever since Skate hooked me back up. It's all my fault.
He kidnapped you. None of this is your fault.
Out there with you, I saw the world, and I saw every evil thing Center is doing to people, and it's all happening because of me.
We'll stop them. We'll take them down. If we get you out.
There's no out. When they took me back to the lab, I saw the real me for the first time, and you must have too. Be honest. How do I look? My physical connection to Center, it's symbiotic. Without me, they die.
And without them.
Yeah.
So what do you expect me to do? Just leave you here?
No. Center can keep me alive like this for 100 years. I think I need to die. And I think you have to be the one to do it.